Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Chef Aid Balloon Whisk. So let's first take a look at its product tag. So this is the product tag for the Chef Aid Balloon Whisk. This whisk measures 25.5 centimeters long from end to end, and it is made out of stainless steel. So giving you some idea of the length of this whisk right there, resting on my fingers, and let's rest it in the palm of my hand right there, 25.5 centimeters from end to end. And let's get the tag off. And just cutting that tag and then setting it to or on the right hand side of the frame right there. So right there, giving you a nice clear view of this stainless steel whisk, and you can see that it does have quite a small handle right there. My entire hand being able to entirely grip and cover that handle. So 25.5 centimeters in length from end to end. It is fairly light in weight, but feels nice and very well made, and giving you some close-up looks at this Chef Aid balloon whisk. And you can see obviously the balloon shape of the loops of this whisk and the handle as well. And it does have this disc here that keeps the loops together. And there is a loop at the end to hang it for storage. Right there, giving you a nice good look at this Chef Aid balloon whisk that measures 25.5 centimeters long from end to end. It's also available in several other sizes as well, so just giving you a nice clear view right there. And of course, once again, giving you a resting in the palm of my hand shot as best I can right there for some scale and perspective. Okay, and let's take a close-up look right now at the stainless steel construction. Right there, you can see the loops of this balloon whisk. So 10 loops altogether, or at least as far as I can count. And taking some close-up looks and close-up detail, of course, of this kitchen utensil. So very handy when it comes to, of course, baking and whisking or whipping your ingredients, be it milk, cream, or even sauces as well. Just right there, giving you some idea. And let's check out the stiffness. So it is nice and stiff. It does feel like there is a central core in the middle where all the loops actually go right through. As you can see, just trying to bend it, it is fairly stiff right there, even though the handle is somewhat small, so giving you a nice good grip depending on how you like to grip and hold on to your whisks. So right there, as I mentioned, I do completely cover that handle up with that very narrow grip. And right there, giving you nice close-up look. So nice, clean construction with no sharp edges whatsoever. So that's always, of course, very important. And no burrs or any rough material. So once again, close-up look at the loops and overall construction of this Chef Aid balloon whisk. So right there, that hanging loop at the end, and giving you a much closer in look at that handle with that coil grip. And let's do a flex test right there. So bending from end to end. So rather stiff, as you can see, and me just crushing the loops together with moderate pressure. I wouldn't apply too much, but you can see it does remain, and gripping there and bending, doing a flex test there, and you can see that disc feeling that pressure right there as I try to bend it. So nice and fairly rigid balloon whisk here, and of course has a kind of lasting, durable design. You don't really want to get a whisk with a crimp style fastener for the loops. You want something like this so that it stays intact under stressful cooking and high pressure whisking. So right there, I'm gripping hard and doing a flex right now, and you can see, of course, this is just a very quick and simple kind of demonstration to give you some idea of the durability of this Chef Aid balloon whisk, measuring 25.5 centimeters long from end to end. So right there, simple and nice construction of this Chef Aid balloon whisk. So that's the Chef Aid balloon whisk. Thanks for watching and happy whisking!